Hey YouTube, I have my Cricut design space up and I wanted to show you how to create a Santa's milk cup. I was drinking a Starbucks Frappuccino today that my husband got me at Walmart, and I wanted to use the glass bottle for something. And tonight I made chocolate milk in it, and the milk looks so cute in it. I thought this would be perfect for to leave out for Santa Claus. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to add text. We're going to put Santa's. You have to excuse me, I'm doing this in the dark so you can see. Ah! Keep putting the wrong thing. Santa's, and then I'm going to go over here to the edit, and I like this font that I got off dafont.com. I think it's dafont.com, and I got it for free. So I'm just going to go up here to System Fonts because I have it downloaded. And I'm going to go down here and find Jack in the Box. That's what it's called. I'm going to use this for the Santas and for the milk. And I'm going to go ahead and change this to red. Not because you need to, because you're just going to print it. Well, cut it on whatever paper you want to use. But I'm going to put it in red so you can just visualize it better. So you can go over here to up there to, I pressed on this, and then I'm going to go over here and pick this color that shows up as red. So we have Santa's, and now I'm going to do add text again, and I'm going to add milk, and I'm going to also come over here to this and change the color on it. I'm not sure how big I need this, but I am going to unclick the lock on it and make it a little bigger. And then I'm going to do Santa's bigger. Okay. And then we're going to make, if you want to, you can also click and hold down and drag across this, or you can go up here to select all and go to a line and wrong thing. Okay, just go over here and undo it. Press select all, align, and then center horizontally. So it'll kind of center it up so you don't have to worry about that when you get done. And now we're going to go over to this side. We're going to press on insert shapes. We're going to use the square, and we're going to unlock the square so that we can make this a rectangle, because this is going to go in between the Santa's and milk, because we're going to make a belt out of this. And I want this to be really long, because I don't know how long it's going to have to be to wrap around my cup. And I can always just trim it off at the end. So I'm going to make this long. The next thing I'm going to do is come over here to insert shapes. And I'm going to see how big I want my square for his belt to be. I may have to move his name a little further up. And milk down just so I can see what I'm working with right here. You can make the belt as big or small as you want. And the belt buckle the same way. So I'm just going to use this square. And so this piece and this piece will be black. No, this piece and this piece right here will be gold. So let's change it so that we can visualize that. So that's going to be gold. And then for the center of it, we're going to insert shapes again, and we're going to add another square. And this square is going to be black because it's going to make it look like a buckle. So we're going to cut out this shape. So just whatever looks right to you. So this piece and this piece is going to be cut on the black piece of paper. And then this will be cut on a gold. And then these two will be cut on red. And then also for gold, what we're going to do I'll leave this up here so you can see it. What we're going to do with the gold is I'm going to make some little, I don't know what they're called, the little gold little notches, the little holes that you put the thing in the belt with. Little grommet things. I'm going to go over here and press insert shapes, and I'm going to get my circle. And what I'm going to do is just make this really small by clicking on it. So that looks about big enough. Come up here to where you have your circle and make it candy corn color again so you can know it's gold. And I lost it on my page somehow. I don't know where it went, so we're going to go get another one. Insert shapes, circle. It's still showing it's on here somewhere, but I can't find it. Okay. So make your gold circle. And then you can right click on this if you want, or come up here and press copy and then paste. But for this one, I want to make it black. Well, I don't have to really make it any color, but let's make it white. What I'm gonna do is put this in the center of this circle. And see how it makes it look like a grommet like type thing? I'm just going to try to visualize where the center is. Okay, that looks good. So what I'm going to do is select all of this and then go up here and press slice. After I slice it, it'll be two pieces. This piece, I think, and the white piece. So I'm just going to select both of these together and press to delete those. And then I'm going to come over here to my little grommet piece. And if I want it a little smaller, I can just, you know, size it the way I want it. But I want to make like 3 of these. So I'm just going to right click on it and press copy. And then come up here to the top, paste, and then I'm going to paste again. And this will be my little belt notches to make it have a more realistic look. And if I wanted to, I also could like cut the center out of the belt and make it look really nice, but I think it looks cute like this, just being on the black. So I'm going to put all my pieces that I want to cut with gold over here, all my black pieces together. I don't think you really have to do this, because when you press go, let's see how it's going to come out. I think it should show me 3 separate pages. Okay, this is going to be the piece I cut first, and I'm going to need my black for this, because that's the pieces of the belt, because I had put the color on it to kind of separate it. The second one I'm going to do is going to be my Santa's milk, and then the third one I'm going to do is my yellow piece. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and then I'll come back and show you our finished product. Okay, it's quite dark in my computer room and my kitchen, so I wanted to just show you this. I did this in glitter. You can't really see it since it's so dark in here. But that's the belt, and this is how it looks. So I just wanted to show you this really quick and let you know you can make it yourself. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped.